Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up a complete Facebook ads for your e-commerce store. Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how you can create the remarketing audience and saved audience uh, using audience manager and use them in your ads, and I'll show you how to write ad copies or how I set up Facebook pixel and everything, so if you watch this video, then you don't need to watch any other videos for setting up Facebook ads for your e-commerce store. Okay, perfect. So without any further delay, let's get it started. So we'll be running ads for this product page. You can see over here. So if I go to the extension called Opalizer, then you can see over here, this is the Shopify CMS. Okay. So first of all, we'll be checking whether Facebook Pixel has been installed for this website properly or not. Okay. So for checking it, I'll go to one of the products. Then I'm gonna take the help of an extension called Metapixel Helper. Then you can see over here, this is our pixel actually. So you can see there are two events firing. One is page view and other one is view item or view content. Okay. And you can see the parameters like content category, content IDs, content name, content type, currency and value. Okay, so currency is in Australian dollar and value is 59. So you can see over here 59. Okay, so view content event is firing properly. So let's add this product to the cart. Okay, and see whether add to cart event is firing or not. So you can see over here add to cart event is also firing. So I'll quickly go to the checkout page. Okay, just wait a little bit. So you can see over here, initiate checkout event is firing content IDs, then content type, currency, number of items, value. So total value is 276 AUD. So that's why it is showing 276. That means Facebook Pixel is properly working. So I don't have the billing informations or test event purchase code. That's why I'll not be making any purchase, but it is working fine. I can show you from the event manager. So you can see over here, this is the pixel for this website. Okay. Then you can see over here, we have sorted the date range for last 28 days. So page view event, view content event, add to cart event, initiate checkout, add payment info, search and purchase. Okay. So everything is working fine. So first of all, we'll be creating audience, like we'll be creating two ad sets, and in one ad set we are gonna be targeting our cold audience or saved audience, you might say, and in other ad sets we are gonna be creating remarketing audience like people who add to cart, view content, or go to the checkout page, didn't make purchase, Instagram engagers, then people who watched at least 25% video of our pages. So those kind of remarketing audiences, and we're going to be testing these two ad sets, that which one is performing well and which one are not. And on the basis of performance, we're going to be scaling the ad sets, so this is our goal. So I'll be basically using four ads for each ad sets. So four videos actually, one, two, three, and four. And for them we have four thumbnails, and I have written all the necessary ad copies. So I'll be using them. So first of all, let's create the audience. So for creating audience, we'll go to the audience section from our business manager. Okay, just wait a little bit. So first of all, we are going to be creating the saved audience. Okay. I'll name this audience as, so I have already researched the audience. Okay. So I can name it Facebook ads audience for Cuddle Bond. Okay. So I name it Facebook ads audience for Cuddle Bond. Perfect. And as the location, I'll be giving the location as Australia and New Zealand. Okay, so Australia is by defaultly selected. So I'm gonna copy New Zealand from here, Australia and New Zealand. Okay, so we're gonna be targeting these two audiences. And as the age range, we're gonna be giving the age range 25 to 45, 25 to 45. Okay, gender. Are we gonna targeting any specific gender? Oh no, so all gender. Okay, and in the detail targeting, I'll be using these options called Pampers. Okay, so you can see this is a t-shirt carrier, that's why we are gonna be targeting this, so I'm gonna copy Pampers, children and parenting, this one, then parenting, children's parenting, then baby shower. Next one is childcare. Then mother care, breast so baby product, this one. Then Huggies, then Baby Shop, then we're gonna be targeting married person, and parents up to 12 months, or parents with toddlers, parents is on up to 12 months, and parents with toddlers. Okay, is there anything else? No. So this is our stepped audience or cold audience, you might say. Okay, and we're gonna be creating stepped audience. And if I go to there, then you can see the audience size. Okay, so targeting location, Australia, New Zealand is range 25 to 45. And you can see over here estimated audience size. Okay, perfect. So this is the saved audience or cold audience for one ad set. Then for the remarketing audiences, we are going to be creating custom audiences. So we are going to be selecting website. Then next, then we are going to be selecting our pixel. So this is our pixel, 𝗘𝗺 pixel. So we are going to be selecting this one. So first event, we are going to be selecting all website visitors last 90 days. Okay, and I could name it as all website visitors last 90 days. I'll click on create audience. I'll click on done. Then I'll click on create audience again, and I'm going to be choosing custom audience website. Next, 𝗘𝗺 pixel. Then I'll be selecting this event. So if I make it 90, then this would be better. So we're gonna be creating events like page view content that took us. So let's create them. So 𝗘𝗺 pixel page view users for last 90 days. Okay. Page view users last 90 days. I'll click on create audience. Done. Create audience again, custom audience, website. Next. View content user last 90 days. Audience name would be view content users last 90 days. I'll click on create audience. I'm gonna click on save again, and I'll go to the create audience again, custom audience, website. Next. Then add to cart users last 90 days. Add to cart users last 90 days. Okay, I'll click on create audience, and I'm gonna click on done. Then create audience again, custom audience, website. Next. Then initiate checkout users. Okay, last 90 days. Checkout users last 90 days. I'll click on create audience. Done. Create audience, custom audience, website. Next. Add payment info users last 90 days. Audience name would be add payment info users last 90 days. Create audience. In down. Create audience, custom audience, website. Next. Then search users last 90 days. Search users last 90 days. Okay, I'll click on create audience and done. And in these segments, we're going to be creating these segments. Okay, I'll be choosing the events called people who viewed the content include more people Then I'll be selecting the date range 90 days. So I'll be creating an audience for those who have viewed the content for last 90 days, and then add to cart for last 90 days. Okay, then include more people, and so can you see the segment? I'm creating a segment for those who view content for last 90 days and who add our product to the cart for last 90 days and go to the initiate checkout page for last 90 days but didn't make any purchase. Okay, so I'll be excluding people with the purchase event. Okay, for last 90 days. So people who viewed the content, add to cart, checkout, but didn't make any purchase for last 90 days. Okay, add to cart, view content. So add to cart, view content, checkout, but didn't make purchase 90 days. I'll click on create audience. I'm gonna hit done. Okay, perfect. Then I'll go to the create audience section, custom audience, and I'll be creating audience for the video views users. Okay, so I'll click on next and I'll choose engagement type, people who have watched at least 25% of your video, and I'll be selecting the video, so I need to choose the Facebook page. Okay, so let's choose this page. 𝗘𝗺 𝗨𝗀, yeah, this one. So I'm gonna be selecting the videos. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Let's go to the phase 2. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's go to the phase 3. Don't have any views. Okay. Phase 4, do we have any? Yeah, we're selecting this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Do we have phase 5? Yeah, this one, this one, this one. So I'll click on confirm. Video viewers, video views by 25% lost 1 year. 1 year. I'll click on create audience. Hit done. And the last audience will be creating for Instagram account. Okay. So we'll be selecting the Instagram page. 𝗘𝗺 𝗨𝗀, this one. Everyone who engaged with this professional account last 1 year. Instagram engagers last 1 year. Okay, I'll click on create audience and I'm gonna click on done. Okay, Perfect. So let's go to the ads section. So I'll go to the ads manager. So let's download this ad videos. It's downloading on, then number 2, then number 3, this is the 4th one. These are our thumbnails. Okay, so I'm gonna download them as well. Okay, cool. So let's create the ads. So I'll be for creating the campaign, I'll click on this create button, and we need to choose the campaign objectives. Okay, and buying type would be auction. So for the time being, we'll be choosing the sales campaign. Okay, then in the sales campaign objectives, uh, they're good for you can see over here conversions, catalog sales, messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and calls. Okay, so I'll be selecting continue, and you can choose streamlined, tailor, or advantage plus shopping campaign, but I will be choosing manual setup. Then I'll click on continue, and I have to name this campaign. So I can name this uh, as Cradle Bond, then T-shirt carriers sales campaign. Okay, if you want, you can make it in uppercase. Okay, Cradle Bond T-shirt carrier sales campaign. Then I'll not be choosing any special ad categories. Okay, campaign details, campaign objective, sales, advantage plus catalog ads. No, I'll not be selecting this on. Then advantage campaign budget. Yeah, I'll be using this, and the daily budget would be 50 Australian dollar. Okay, then campaign BD strategy would be highest volume. I'll not be scheduling any budget. I'll not schedule any ads. Okay, I'll be A/B testing using manual way, not by selecting this. Then I'll click on next. Mm, cold audience ad set. Okay, so this would be cold audience ad sets, and conversion location would be website. Performance goals would be maximize number of conversions, and dataset, I need to choose the dataset. So this one, Cuddlebound pixel. Okay, and I need to select the conversion event. So I'll be selecting purchase because uh, I want to get sales from this campaign. Then I'll not be using any dynamic creatives, budget and schedule. So start at November 27, 2024. I'll not be giving any end dates. Okay. Then as the location, uh, we're gonna be using our saved audience. Okay. So it's to original audience, use original audience. Then I'll be using the saved audience, Facebook ads audience for 𝗘𝗺 𝗨𝗀. Okay. So you can see the audience, targeting country should be Australia, New Zealand, age ranges. Okay. Then this is our targeting. And as the placement, I'll be selecting only Facebook and Instagram. So I'll be removing audience network, you know, then I'll be removing this option. Okay, perfect. So let's see if everything is good or not. So the more audience section, I'll not be choosing anything else. I'll click on next. So I'll name this as video ad one, video ad one. So you can name it as per your requirements. I'll be selecting the page, this one. Instagram account is this one. And set up created manual upload. Okay, single image or video because we are gonna be using the video. Add creatives, setup creatives. Okay, video ads. Then source URL. Okay, so I'll be giving the landing page or product page URL. So this is our product page URL. Okay. And I'll click on next. Then we need to give the primary text, headlines and description, call to actions. Okay, so everything is available here. So I'll be using 5 primary text, 5 headlines as well, 5 descriptions as well, and 5 call to actions as well. Is there any option to give 5 call to actions? There is only one. Okay, no worries. So we'll go to our doc file. So this would be the primary text one. Okay. Then as the primary text 2, I'll be using this one. Then as the primary text 3, I'll be using this one. And as the fourth primary text, we are going to be using this one. And as the fifth primary text, I'm going to be using this one. Then we need to provide 5 headlines. Okay, so headlines are available here. Limited stock next year's. Next one would be this one. And the next headline would be don't miss this comfort. In unlimited comfort. Act now. And the last one would be this one. Okay, perfect. Then I need to provide 5 descriptions as well, so I'm gonna be copying them. This would be our first description. This would be our second one. I'm gonna be using this as our third one. And this is the fourth one. And yeah, this is the last one. As the call to action, I'll be using shop now. Click on next. And I have to upload the videos that I have downloaded. So I'll go to this option. So video ad 1. It is uploading. It might take some while. Just wait a little bit. So I'll upload another 2, another 3 actually. Just wait a little bit. It's loading. Just wait a little bit. You can see it is processing. Yeah. Then I'll upload another 2. And I'll upload the last one. It's processing. Just wait a little bit. Okay, so for the first ad, we are gonna be selecting video ad 1. Okay, I'll go to the next. I'm gonna go to the next again, and you can see the video uh over here. Like, this is the vertical one, square, and horizontal. Okay, then next, I'll be enabling all optimizations. Okay, and I'll click on done. So you can see over here, I need to keep the primary text. Okay, then headlines. And descriptions. And last, call to action. So the call to action, I'll be using shop now. Okay, so let's quickly use the primary text. So these are our primary text, so I'm gonna copy it from here. Primary text 1, then this would be our primary text 2, then this would be our primary text 3, then this would be our primary text 4, and as the final primary text, I'll be using this one. And I'll go to the headlines section. I'll be using the headlines. Okay, so this would be our headline 1. Then this is headline 2. This would be our headline 3. Then this would be our headline 4. And this would be our final headline. And we're going to be using 5 descriptions as well. This would be our first description. This would be our second description. This would be our third description. This is going to be our fourth description. And this is going to be our last or final description. Okay, perfect. So if everything is okay, you can uh, click on the publish button. So the website URL, sorry, you need to give the website URL. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving the website URL as this one, and display URL also this one. Tracking, this would be your Excel, you know. So if you want to see this, then you can click on advanced preview section. Then you can see the ads preview over here. Okay. Different placements. Okay, so this is for Facebook feeds, this is for Instagram feeds. Okay, so you can see it from different uh placements. Or if you want to share this, you can click on this share button and share link. Then link sharing option is on. Select an option. You can either select 30 days or 60 days. Then you can copy the link and send your client. Okay, and if everything is okay, you can click on the publish button. So as I already told you, I'll be creating 4 ads. So I have just created only one ad, so I'm gonna quickly duplicate them. So I'll click on duplicate, and I'm gonna click number of copies 3 because I want to create 4 ads. Okay, so it is duplicating these existing ads, and you can see they have uh, created 3 copies of this version. Okay, so I'm gonna go to there and rename them. Okay, so video ads 2, this would be video ads 2, and the only thing I'll be changing over here is the add video. Okay, and rest of the things will be remaining same. So I'll quickly delete the media, and I'll click on add video. Okay, I'll click on next, next, and I'll be selecting this as our second video. Click on next, 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 then done. Okay, so video at 2, then I'll rename this as video at 3, and I'll go to the media section, and I can change the video from here. I'll go to the next section, next, and I'll be using this video. Okay, I'll click on next, next, done. Okay, so as the video at 3, I'll be using this video. So you can see the video over here. And let's go to video at 4, and I'll rename this as video ads 4, and I'll go to the media, and I can either edit the media or delete the media. I'll click on add video, then next, next. I'll be selecting this video. Okay, perfect, and click on next, 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 and done. Okay, so we have created one ad set with 4 videos. So as I already told you, I'll be creating 2 ad sets, one for cold audience and one for a warm audience or remarketing audiences. So I'm gonna quickly duplicate these ad sets so that I can create the remarketing ad sets. Okay, perfect. So it has duplicated cold audience. So I'll rename this as remarketing ad sets. Okay, so I'll keep everything similar as cold audience ad set, other than changing the audience. Okay, perfect. So I'll go to the audience section and I'm gonna click on edit, not from here actually. I'll click on create new audience. Okay, switch to original audience, use original audiences. Then I have an option called custom audiences. So I'm gonna be choosing this audience, Instagram engager last 1 year. Okay, then video viewers by 25% last 1 year. Then add to cart, view content, checkout user but didn't make any purchase last 90 days. Then search users last 90 days. Then add payment info users last 90 days. Then checkout users last 90 days. Add to cart users last 90 days. Then view content users last 90 days, page view users last 90 days, and the last one would be all website visitors last 90 days. Okay, so everything is okay, and I'll be deselecting this option, and I'll not be selecting any residence, genders, included locations, be Australia and New Zealand. New Zealand. Yeah. So everything is okay. Can click on the publish button. So client, most probably client hasn't uh, set up the payment method. So I'll tell the client to add the payment method, and whenever he adds the payment method, then I'm gonna be publishing the campaign. So what I'll basically do, I'll be testing these two ad sets for uh, the upcoming month, like in 1 month, in next month, and I'll be getting the winning ad sets and the winning ads. So by comparing them, by A/B testing them, I'll get the winning ad sets and ads, and I'm gonna scale the ad sets and ads on the basis of performance, and I'm gonna be posing the low performing one. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple ad sets and ads for testing which one is giving you the best results. In this case I want to get sales, so I'll be uh, measuring the KPIs called sales and cost per sales, this sort of things. So this is how you can create a complete Facebook ads campaign for your e-commerce store if you want to generate sales from Facebook ads. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.